Good morning, dear student. My name is Amandeep Kaur and I am going to start a chapter number 7, class 9th and chapter Volcanoes. So, first topic is what is a volcanicity? Volcanicity is a process which includes intrusive of magma inside the earth crust and extrusive of magma outside the earth crust. That is called a volcanicity, and this gave a rise to volcano eruption. The next topic is what is a volcanoes? Our chapter main topic, volcanoes. Volcano, the diagram is given in your book. Volcano is a vent or opening on the earth crust. It is a vent or opening on the earth crust that is connected through a pipe inside the chamber, inside the earth, from where hot magma, lava flows outside the earth crust and gave a rise to volcano eruption. That is called a volcanoes. So, volcano is a vent or opening on the earth crust that is connected by a pipe inside the earth, from where hot lava and magma erupted, and it may be in form of cone according to the material ejected. The next are types of volcanoes. There are two types of volcanoes. First one, intrusive volcanoes, and second is a extrusive type of volcanoes. First one is a intrusive volcanoes, when lava, magma and ashes flows and solidifies inside the earth crust. It is called a intrusive type of volcanoes. Their main examples: batholiths, laccoliths, silts, dikes, etc. The second one, extrusive type of volcanoes, when lava and magma solidify and cool down outside the earth crust. It is called a extrusive type of volcanoes, and their main example: ash and cinder cones, lava domes, it is like a dome cone. The next one is a classification of volcanoes. There are main three type of volcanoes. First one, active volcano, second, dormant volcano, and third one is extinct volcano. Now, what is difference between three volcanoes? First one is a active volcano. It is clear from its name. Active volcano means when lava, ashes and gases and other material continuously ejected from the mouth of volcanoes. That is called a crater. When lava, magma and ashes continuously ejected through a pipe from the mouth of the volcano, it is called the active volcanoes. And mostly active volcanoes are found in the Pacific Ocean, that is popularly known as a ring of fire. And their main example is a Kailua volcano, that is in Hawaii, Mount St. Helens, Stromboli and Pinatubo in the Philippines. The next one is the dormant volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes are those volcanoes which has been ejected or which has not been ejected for a larger period of time. For example, Mount Vesuvius volcano in Italy, that is called a dormant volcanoes. Means dormant volcanoes are those volcanoes which has not been erupted for a larger period of time, that is called a dormant volcanoes. Then third one is extinct volcano. It may be called a dormant volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes are those volcanoes which has been erupted in past, but after that there is not longer active volcanicity. That is called a extinct volcanoes, because when it is erupted in the past and after that there is not no any volcanicity, then their mouth, that is called a crater. Their mouth is filled with the water and it gave a birth to the crater lakes, and these crater lakes helps in the perennial rivers and also provide water for other purpose. The next topic is a world distribution of volcanoes. The distribution of volcanoes on the world map. So, first one is a circum-Pacific belt and popularly known as a ring of fire. It extends from North America and up to New Zealand. So, here are more active volcanoes of the world. The second one is a mid-Atlantic belt. Mid-Atlantic belt, it includes the Lesser of Antilles, Southern Antilles, Azores and St. Helena. And the third one distribution of the volcano is a mid-continental belt. This belt includes Alps Mountains, Mediterranean Sea, Stromboli, Vesuvius and volcanoes of again sea. The next one is the effect of volcanicity on the society, economy and on the geography. So first one is a constructive effects. We can say that a positive effect of the volcanoes. First one is the lava and magma that is ejected from the volcano eruption. After that, these volcanoes form helps in formation of plains which are very fertile and suitable for agriculture. The second one, all precious stones like diamond, coal and other minerals are found after the volcano eruption. The third one, after the volcano eruptions, it gave a rise to the geysers and spring that provide the hot water, and this water is very beneficial and profitable for the medical point of view and for the other purpose. Then after that, crater lakes. Volcano eruption form a crater lakes because whenever volcano eruption occur, after that there is no longer volcanic activity. Then their mouth is filled with the water and it gave a rise to the crater lake, and this crater lake is used for perennial rivers or for other purpose. The next one, some volcano eruptions and after the volcano eruption, the volcano places and sports are of great interest of seismic beauty and tourist interest. So these are 4 to 5 point data as a positive fact of volcano eruption, and we can say that benefits of volcanicity. The next one is a negative fact of the volcanicity. What is the negative factor? Sometimes volcano eruptions make the land barren, unsuitable for agriculture. Then second point, after the volcano eruptions, sometimes people have to abandon their houses because it causes greater destructions and the loss of life, loss of property. So people have to abandon their houses forever or sometimes for some time. The next one, the tsunami and the tidal waves also produced due to the volcanic activity. So these are 3 to 4 points that is represent the negative fact of volcanic activity and volcanicity on the people and the society. So in this chapter we have studied about the volcanicity, volcanoes, their types and their classification, active volcano, dormant volcano and extinct volcano, world distribution of volcanoes and the effect of volcano on the society and on the other life. So diagram is given of volcanicity is given in your book. You can observe the diagram. So I hope that this chapter will be clear to all of you. So thanks and have a nice day.